Hello there guys, glad to see all of you watching another video of mine. I'm Siddhancha from KeeKisit. In this video, I'm going to show you the output of the project on which I've recently worked. This was really an interesting project and I thought it is worth sharing with you. Let me first give you a brief description about the project. The client required an Instagram bot that can perform the following task. Go to Instagram, fetch all the recent posts for a given hashtag. If the post has a video as its media, then the bot will comment on the post. The comment will be randomly selected from a given list of comments, which will be provided by the user. After commenting on all the recent posts, the bot will go in a sleep mode of around 10 to 15 minutes and then repeat the cycle. The client also needed a flexibility of having multiple hashtags. In this case, the bot will scrape one hashtag, comment on the recent post for that hashtag, and then move on to the next hashtag. Once all the hashtags are scraped, the bot will go into a sleep mode for a given time and after that repeat the cycle. So I hope the requirement part is clear to you. Now let me move on to the next part, that is the config file. Config file is a JSON file which allows users to control the execution of the bot. The first key is the hashtag. This key takes the list of hashtags which the bot will scrape. In this case, we have two hashtags, Chelsea and Python. The next key is the recent def, or rather I should be saying recent definition. This key takes time in minutes, which defines the recent post. Here, the value of the key is 15 minutes, which tells the bot that only those posts will be considered as recent posts which were posted in last 15 minutes. The third key is the sleep, for which we have provided a value of 2. This is again a time in minutes. This is the time for which the bot will be in sleeping mode before starting to scrape all the hashtags again. The fourth and final key is the comments. This is the list of comments from which one comment will be selected randomly. Here we have given 5 comments. Hello, hi, how are you doing? Awesome, yay. Okay, so now I think we are good to go ahead and run the script since we have understood all the basic requirement and also the config file. Now when I run the script, it is very important to know that first of all we will be logging into Instagram using different accounts. We will be using two types of accounts. One will be dummy account and the other will be the main account. The dummy account are the accounts which you will be using only to hit the server and fetch the post. We use dummy accounts simply because of the fact that Instagram ban accounts which hit the server quite frequently in a very short duration of time. So in order to prevent a main account from getting banned, we use dummy accounts. These accounts will be hitting the server every now and then to fetch the new post. The main accounts are the which will be used only to make comments on the required post. So let me just run the script. Now you can see we are logging into Instagram with different accounts. We have just logged in with the first account. This is going to take some time, so I'm just going to pause the video and I will restart once we are logged in from almost every account. So we have logged in from all our accounts. Okay, you can see we have used 9 dummy accounts and 14 main accounts. So we've started fetching posts which have videos as its media for the hashtag Chelsea. In the page 1, we have already fetched quite a lot of posts. So these are the different posts on which we are making the comment. These are the comment account from which we have made the comment. This is the comment text and the time on which the comment was made. So if we go down, we can see there are quite a lot of posts on which we have commented. Once we have fetched all the posts for Chelsea hashtag, we will be moving on to the next hashtag Python. Again, we have made comment on a lot of posts for the given hashtag of Python. And once we have done with Python hashtag also, the bot has gone into the sleeping mode of 2 minutes. Okay, now we can say after 2 minutes, the bot has waken up again, and again it is fetching new post with a media as video for the hashtag Chelsea. Finally, we have fetched 2 posts and made a comment on them. After that, we have moved on to next hashtag Python, and again we have fetched 1 video post and made a comment on it. Once we have done with this, again the bot has gone into sleeping mode for 2 minutes. Now all this data is being saved into a CSV file. So let me just go ahead and show you the CSV file while the bot is in sleeping mode. Okay, so as you can see, this is the CSV file and these are the data which we have fetched while we were making comments on the post. So these are the hashtags on which we have made comments. These were the accounts from which the comments were made. This is the time at which the comment was made, and this is the comment text. This is the URL of the post on which the comment was made. Okay, so now in order to check if the comments were actually made, we will just open a Firefox and we will try to go to this URL. Just going through one of the URL to see if the comments was actually made on this post. So you can see over here the comment was made from the account MusicLove12 and the comment was hello. So let's just go over here and see if the comment was actually made. This is the video as we can see over here. Okay, and if we scroll down a bit, okay, you can see there is a comment made hello from the account MusicLove, and also it has a hashtag of Python, which is also mentioned in our CSV. Yeah, this one. Okay, let me try for one more thing. I'm going to try for this one. Let me just paste the URL and you can see it's loading. Just give me a moment. My net is working slow today, so I don't know why, but it is. Okay, so this is again for the hashtag Chelsea. Let me see if we have a hashtag over here by the name of Chelsea. There are too many hashtags to search. Okay, here is a hashtag Chelsea. Okay, and this is again a video. I don't know why it's not playing, but it is a video, and you can see there is a comment made from the account Voices1 of the hi. Let me just go back. This is the URL. This is the comment text hi, and the comment account was Voices. So I think this will be it for this video, and if you have any kind of work regarding getting data from Instagram, you can always contact me. And do subscribe my channel and like my video, since it will help me a lot as I'm just starting up. And for any work you can connect to me on Upwork. The link to my Upwork profile is given in the description, and you can also connect to me via Instagram, Twitter, or through my Gmail. All these details are mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching this video.